Hello, myself Ujjwal Thapa Magar. My student ID is MIT201401. Today I am going to have a presentation on implementation and evaluation of penetration tools. This is my assignment 1B presentation. So let's begin. Okay, first I begin with introduction on security scanner. So what is security scanner? To find any flaws in terms of security, security scanner is an automated process that scan application, element, device or application. So security scanner has to be used frequently in order to secure information. So this is my assignment 1A feedback. The first part is we can see in the screen, that is content, given feedback and improvement on my depend on my assignment 1A. So these are the contents and these are the given feedbacks by my lecturer and the improvement that I have done in my assignment 1B part. So I'm going to talk about network scanner tools. So these are the network scanner tools I'm going to discuss about. So first, WireSack. WireSack is one of the most powerful and widely used and preferred by many users. The application areas of WireSacks are enterprises, educational institutes, as well as the organizations, government organizations. The issues are captured in both online and offline in WireSack. So these tools also runs under Windows, Linux, etc. Second, we go to AirCrack. It is the tool that assess Wi-Fi network. This also runs on Windows, NetBSD, Linux, etc. AirCrack can also be used in auditing the network, and data packet capturing is used for the lost keys. Third, we go for Nikto. This is also the web scanner that is used to evaluate issues and vulnerability. It is an open source web scanner. It scans HTTPS, HTTP, HTTPD protocols, and it confirms whether the service versions are up to date or not. So Nexus Professional. This tool is developed by Tenable Network Security, which is considered a branded tool. It helps in preventing diffusion of network. Most users installed to avoid vulnerabilities and configuration issues. So lastly, Nmap. It is an open source scanner and it's free. This is used to audit security and network discovery. This is developed by Gordon Leon. This tool is used for discovering host services by using packet sending. So among those 5 scanner tools, I prefer WireSack, Nmap, and Nikto. So in short, I'm going to explain this. WireSack, it is very easy to troubleshoot and monitor. It is easy to understand software and navigation and has provide real-time information. So Nmap, it detects news server and used for auditing network, and it also helps to find out domain and subdomain for system, and it is used to interact with the target host. And third, it is Nikto. It is an open source scanner. This evaluates issues and vulnerabilities, and it changes export information to readable format to metasploit. So we're going to talk about the weakness. Weaknesses are outdated hardware, integrity checking can be failed, vulnerable Windows OS, and unauthenticated protocol. Exploit the weakness. While any host or system or service server is exposed to internet, it has to be checked for penetration. Auditing is essential for the protection of to hosts and network. So how are we gonna secure this? So there are 4 points. Developing essential security policy, providing security tools to IT staff for maintaining, providing essential training and seminar to the staffs, and data needs to be encrypted. So these are the references that I have taken for my to complete my assignment 1B part. Hello, my next part is the demonstration of the scanner tools that I have discussed in my presentation. So here I'm going to start with Nmap. So nmap, and we're gonna have to write, we're gonna check any domain name. So I'm going to have check for Facebook. Takes some time. So as for the definition of nmap, it shows all the available ports and the states and the service. So here we can see the available ports for Facebook are 80 TCP, 4444, 443 TCP, 843 TCP, 5222 TCP. So the states are open, open, close, close, and the services are HTTP, HTTPS, unknown, and XMPP client. So if a hacker wants to hack the system or this Facebook.com, then they have to go through the available port present there. So these are the available port to the web domain name Facebook.com, so through which the hacker can get an access to hack the this Facebook.com. So similarly, we go for we're gonna do Nikto. So opening next terminal. So for Nikto, we're gonna write Nikto and code -h, and then we're gonna take one demo domain name, that is ujjwal.info. So let's see. Okay, so as per the definition of Nikto, we get the information related to this ujjwal.info site. So user can go through, check any of the domain name in previous nmap also. They can go through, I used facebook.com there. We can go google.com or any domain name or any websites there to check the available ports and the services there available there. So for Nikto, I used for ujjwal.info. So let's see here we can see that the target IP, host name, target host name, target port, and start time because I started. And similarly, the Apache used is the server used is the Apache, and the language used is here is PHP 7.2.27, and also have used Drupal 7 also here. So these are the information that is provided by the Nikto as for our definition. So with this, I completed my assignment 1B part. Thank you for your time. Thank you.